Yeah. Great, John.
Yeah. Well, I do love you, you know that.
Thanks.
Best thing that's ever happened to me, you know that. Come on.
I love you too, John.
So, what are you doing tonight?
I don't know, what are you doing?
I thought we could go out to eat.
Oh, you know, it's kind of off guard, John, but sure.
Yeah, right, well, I'll see you after my match, yeah?
I love you, John. Come over here.
1 minute. What the fuck are you doing?
Got it.